Well, good morning. We have a big day today. Yep, we finally are going to the Dry Tortugas National Park. After last year, with all the illegals washing ashore and canceling our trip, we finally made it just a year over. Well, we're not there yet, but we're getting ready to go. Lots to do. So what'd you think?
Oh my God, totally worth every penny. Life-changing. Hi everybody, we are Steve and Stephanie Chin and our little dog Teddy. Come join us on an adventure.
There are two ways to get to the Dry Tortugas, by ferry and seaplane. We're taking the seaplane. And as this trip coincided with my birthday, Stephanie told the pilot to let me co-pilot. After a brief pre-flight and emergency procedures,
We have clearance, Clarence.
The ride was really comfortable. You do wear ear protection so you don't hear this propeller noise as much as it is in the video. One of the reasons why we picked the plane over the ferry, which is cheaper, is because of the little dog. We didn't want to be away from our camper for 12 hours. As you fly over the Florida Keys Marine Sanctuary, you will see shipwrecks. There are 14 well-documented shipwrecks in the sanctuary.
and the iconic Fort Jefferson of the Dry Tortugas.
One of the benefits of the seaplane is that you get there an hour and a half before the ferry. You have the whole place to yourself, more or less, along with the 10 people that came with you on the plane. One of the smallest visitor centers I've ever seen, but it packs quite a wallop. A lot of treasures from around the area, a lot of information about the natural wildlife. There are rangers on the island, and you can get your passport stamped. You know how I feel about the passport stamps. After hitting the visitor center, Steve and I took the self-guided tour at our own pace through one of the largest brick structures in the Northern Hemisphere, and it's exquisite.
What an odd place for a boat. I had to find somebody and ask, is this the boat that the illegals came ashore in last year? She was brand new and reporting and didn't know. It was still interesting. Why would a boat be inside the fort? Let me know. Any ideas?
top rung. Dry Tortugas. Oh, it's so nice.
By the time the ferry's arriving, so is another seaplane. This was about 11:15, and we'd already been on the island for 2 hours. And with that, it's snorkel time. Couldn't wait any longer to get into those crystal blue water. Red filter? No filter. A red filter is really only needed when greater than 8 foot. So what'd you think?
Oh my God, totally worth every penny. Life-changing. Almost as tie with the Everglades. This is
bucket list item. Yep. And I would, I think the seaplane's worth it.
I highly recommend the Seaplane.
Unless you got 5 hours to waste at sea.
Now this is February 2nd and everything shined on us. The weather was perfect.
February 3rd.
Or 3rd. Yeah, no wind, very little breeze here, no waves. The water is turquoise. 72 degrees in the
Water temperature.
but we didn't notice it.
It's a lot of fun, gorgeous.
Someday I'll figure out my camera. But not today. We saw birds, we saw fish. So nice. Plane, expensive. Utterly worth it. Our pilot flew over all the keys, gave us a little history lesson of each one. Went over a shipwreck. You could actually see it from the plane. We took pictures. I could see loggerhead turtles swimming from the plane. I saw one hammerhead. Everybody else saw a second one. It was amazing.